In this video, we're talking about how to download and install Blender on your PC. Many people, especially beginners, often ask how to download Blender, which version to choose, and how to install it properly. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel, and if you don't, so then must like the video, because I love your like very much. For high-performance PCs, if you have a fast PC with a good graphics card and want the latest features, go to Google and type Blender. Open the official website blender.org. Download the latest version, like Blender 3.5 or whatever version is available at the time. Just click the download button and it will start downloading. For low-performance PCs, if your PC is slow or doesn't have a graphics card, search for Blender 2.81 on Google. On the official site, go to the older version section. Find Blender 2.81 or another version that works for your system. Select the file based on your OS, e.g. Windows 64-bit, and download it. Installation steps. Once downloaded, open the setup file. Click Next, choose the installation location, and press Install. Let it finish installing, then click Finish, and you're good to go. So, in this video, we covered everything you need to know to download, install, and start using Blender. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.